In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Finviz Screener. Okay, you're going to walk out of this video without actually knowing step by step how to use Finviz Screener in your trading. Okay, this is a screener for day trading as well as you're going to actually learn how to use Finviz for screening stocks. So first, what you want to do, first step number one on the list is finviz.com. This is going to be a very simple guide, so make sure to keep watching till the end so you can actually walk out with the information that you need. Then what you want to do is go click on screener, and this is what we have right here. So to you, if you want to learn how to use Finviz Screener, what you want to do first is obviously uh, go right here to the descriptive. I already are here, so nothing to basically move right there. What you want to do right here is go click on either mega or large. I'm going to go and just click on mega. I just want big market cap valued stocks have market caps mega, so it's perfect. Then what you want to do is what on average volume click on over 1 or 2 million. I'm going to go with over 2, something that's very volatile, and as you can see already 40 total. Even if I go USA, the number is going to be 35. So country, always want to trade USA. Again, this is just my preference, which you don't really need to do that, but again, go ahead and do this. And if you're day trading, you also want to be something that's optionable and shortable, so click on that too. And lastly, we want to check out the technicals, which by the way are going to be average true range over 3 right here. Something, once again, this is volatile. We're left with 20 stocks. These are stocks that are very good for day trading and also swing trading also. Typically, if you want something to swing trade, you would just put the average volume below 1 million or so, and your actual average true range actually be over 2.52 or 1.5. But then let's see what we have right here with the charts. We can see we're left with Adobe, AMD, Amazon, COST, Costco. We have Berkshire Hathaway, the Broadcom, all these good stocks. Actually, all of them actually look very good. Now, let's see, for example, we go ahead and select. These are all famous stocks, man. Let's MCD. Let's check out the MCD. Go my next layout. So MCD. McDonald's. Go for day trading. What was my previous prediction? Beautiful bullish prediction. You can see again how I have predicted it previously. Again, if you want a little bit of a broader range of stocks, you can always just put the market cap to large. You're gonna have 48 more that you can play with. We can go ahead and check out anything else, but typically speaking, what I want you to do is just go ahead and screenshot this. You can play here with large and mega. Also here with average low. You can play around with anything you want, but typically this is the best thing, best way to use Finviz Screener for trading. So